Is water a good conductor of electricity? Normally, water is a great conductor of electricity unless you have pure water, distilled or deionized water. You'd find that in the lab. Water that doesn't have the salts and minerals to carry the electrons from one probe to another. Look at the situation that we have here. I have two bare wires on either side of this. They come up and around, hooked to the electricity over here and to this light bulb. So when I turn it on like this and I put it down in the water, the light bulb should light up. There's electricity here, but it's not working at all. Not until we add a mineral. So remember, that's pure water. Watch what happens when we add. Look at this. You start to see it glowing. Look at this. And there it is. So it's the ions in the water that carry the electricity from one probe to the next. And that's why water is so conductive. I'm going to show you how to make my famous Boo Bubble generator. Here's what you need to do. Look at this. I've got a plastic jar with a little connector on the side and that piece of hosing that comes up here. Bubble solution, secret ingredient, dry ice. So the dry ice goes in here like this. And now you simply take the cap, and I don't screw it on. I simply hold it over the top so it shoots now that water vapor out here. So dip it into the bubble solution and watch. You'll fill the bubble. Look at this. Doesn't pop. Why? Because that towel doesn't have the oil that you'd normally have on your skin. Sure, it'll pop over time, but look at this. You can make the most amazing little bubbles that you see here. Why? Because they're filled with carbon dioxide gas. Touch them, and they pop. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow bridge. Look at this. You actually make these secondary colors by allowing the colors to mix. It's pretty simple. Now I'm using these test tubes. You can use whatever you want. You could use glasses if you wanted to, but put some food coloring in each one of these. Red over here, yellow over here, and blue over here. And the secret is a little piece of paper towel that goes down inside like this. Paper towel over here like this. Got it? And now we're hooking the next ones together as well. So another piece of paper towel that goes from here into this test tube, another piece of paper towel that goes from here into this test tube. So it looks like this. Red comes over here, yellow comes over here, and you actually get orange. So here is our secondary color here. Yellow to the blue gives you green with that secondary color. I'll let you make the last one and post it to give us purple as well. As they go all the way through, it's a fantastic way to make a rainbow bridge. What's the shape of a bubble? Square, if you know how to do it. Watch this. That is our square bubble. Here's the secret. It's the structure, right? You can make the structure a bunch of different ways. This was made out of toys. You could use pipe cleaners and straws. That will work as well. I just put some Dawn dish soap down inside this tub. That's it. No glycerin, nothing special. The secret is being able to pull it out and allow it to just sit there. That trampoline in the middle is what you want. I can shake it this way. There's the window. This way is the trampoline. Now I just simply drop the bubble in. Or the circle becomes the square, and now I can blow it up. The structure provides the support, and you got the perfect square bubble. Look at these amazing smoke rings. I got to show you how to make it. It's so easy, and it's with dry ice. Look, I'm using dry ice. You can't touch it with your hands, 110 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, but you need some dry ice. Now here's what I did. I took a cup. This is a Solo cup, a clear one, but just put a hole in the bottom of the Solo cup like this. You can see the hole. And then stretched this plastic bag over the Solo cup like this with a rubber band. Cut it. It's set. Pour in a little bit of water and you've got it. So now a little bit of dry ice inside. When you tap the bottom, you get a perfect little smoke ring that shoots up like this. Look at that. A great smoke ring launcher. It happens quickly. 3, 2, 1. Instant snow. Look at this. It is amazing. It's one of my favorite products that we've ever put out on the market. It's called Insta Snow. It starts like this. It's just that much. Now watch what happens when we add the water. It absorbs quickly. It's a super absorbent, so when it happens super fast. And you can't compress it. You can squeeze it as much as you want, but it doesn't compress. When it erupts in someone's hands, it's absolutely amazing. And it's Insta Snow. Let me show you how to make the bubbling lava lamp. Look at this. The secret is Alka-Seltzer, water, and oil. It's that simple. I first published this in 1999, so it's been around for a long, long time. I have 6 test tubes here. The colored food coloring water in the bottom and oil here on the top. Alka-Seltzer gets dropped into each one. The Alka-Seltzer only reacts with the water. As it reacts with the water, it produces carbon dioxide gas. Look at this as it falls down here. Nothing happens until that hits that point there. As it starts to bubble away, look at this. It carries it up to the top, pops at the top, works its way back down again, and you get the coolest lava lamp you could ever imagine. It's just oil, water, and food coloring, a little bit of Alka-Seltzer. How easy is that? The balancing nail puzzle. Can you balance all of these nails on the head of this nail? It's hard to do unless you've got a strategy and a plan. Here's my plan. Watch. You simply rotate the nails back and forth, alternating them back and forth like this. We're putting a system in place. We're going to lock them in place, and then we're going to use the center of gravity to be able to balance them all on that single head. You put this one here, lock them in place. So now watch. Hold them here like this, lock them in place. Look at that. And now balance on the head of this nail. And that's the great balancing nail trick. You try it. Watch this. Cloud in a bottle. Check it out. It's so easy to do. You need high pressure, you need condensation, and then release the pressure instantly. Here's the first thing you're going to need. A bicycle foot pump. It's perfect because you can control the air going into it. Second thing is that valve stem right there. That's a tire valve stem, a little stopper. It just fits perfectly into the bottle. And the last thing, rubbing alcohol. Now normally water would be used, but it doesn't evaporate fast enough. So just a little bit of that rubbing alcohol inside, that'll give us the evaporation that we need. Try different strengths to see which kind of cloud you get, but watch this. Pump it back up again. You're gonna feel the bottle getting warmer. The pressure is building inside. When it feels good, release it quickly. 3, 2, 1. That's your cloud in a bottle.